We're the McNichols.
I'm Dan.
And I'm Sheryl. We're both trustees and want to update you on an amazing project the congregation decided to support. Renovation of the sanctuary to upgrade our restrooms and meet Americans with disability standards.
As the COVID restrictions continued well into the summer, the trustees decided instead of wallowing in the uncertainty of when we could meet again in person, to an approach of let's take advantage of this recess and do something that we have talked about for years.
We advertised a fundraising campaign in late June to renovate the sanctuary restrooms. We got a wonderful response as the congregation voted their support with contributions and pledges with optimism. Pledges and contributions are currently at $38,000. The project will not only make it easier for existing members to use the facilities, but studies have found that attractive restrooms are cited as one prominent reason visitors decided to make this their church home.
The reason the funding campaign goes until January 5th, 2021 is because one government response to the pandemic was to give a one-year recess to those who draw down their retirement accounts. So to take advantage of the recess, pledge money does not have to arrive until January 5th, 2021, when mandatory retirement distributions are in effect again.
We have $26,000, roughly half of the $52,000 project cost, in cash in the bank now to start the restroom part of the project. That has allowed us to meet with construction contractors, an architect, and the people who will shepherd our building permit through the city. Once the city says go, the actual construction will begin and is expected to take 10 days.
The contractor also agreed to make the balance due for the renovation in 60 days, which will allow our pledge money to come in on time and we won't have to pay any extra interest charges.
While we have money in the bank and pledges that will allow us to mostly completely pay for the renovations, we are still $13,000 short.
That is why we are coming to you on video today. We want to urge you to make a last mile gift or pledge to the project so we can have totally new restrooms before we return to meeting again in person.
The overall impact of the completed project will be a great welcome back to all of us when we are allowed to return to a fully open church. We can't wait.